guys, and welcome to Blessed Hands by Drika Styles. I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to go with as far as the name. I think I'm going to drop the Drika Styles now and just let everything be Blessed Hands because it's going to be so confusing for my brand. And so that's that. I'll give y'all more information on that. But today we're going to talk about my hair. I've been getting so many compliments about this hair. This is the Ringlet Wine Curl, guys. The Ringlet Wine Curl. So as you can see, I have two tones going on here. And it's been in about a month and I really like it and I really hate to take it out, but as you can see, your girl got some new growth up in there, so we got to get that out. Okay, we got to deep condition and do some stuff to our hair. So the first style, it would just be this side part. This is how I actually put the hair in so it can lay this way. I did do the braids a little big on the sides with a little smaller in the front. You probably can't tell because I have so much new growth, but still you'll see as this video go on. So let's get into some more styles, guys. All right, so this would be the first style. That side part, girl, that side part. All right, you could swap it if you want. I didn't make mine to go to this side because I feel like this is my best side. Going this way. So let me see if I may be able to get, to me the gap is too big there, but if you want to do that side, yes, you could. I would put a little more hair right here because, yeah, that's just me. But yeah, I mean, if you like it on that side, it is kind of cute on this side, but this is not a deep side part. I would have to have a deeper part. So yeah, whatever you like, you can have whatever you like. Show hair, girl. You can't tell me this ain't my hair, okay? I love how this hair just looks so natural. It looks so real, like my hair. I never tried it on this side, but I'm feeling it on this side. Okay, so you could just swap your hair from side to side. All right, and then we're going to do a bun in the middle. So yeah, just take some hair right from the middle. Make sure you have enough hair in the back so it still looks full. And I'm just going to take this. Where's my ponytail holder I have? I'm going to take this ponytail holder, wrap it around the hair. Be careful not to get the hair caught up in there because it will be hard for you to remove, okay? So you can just push it down a little bit, not too much because you don't want to pull too much on your edges. And you're just going to take it and wrap it around to your liking. Yeah, so you just continue to wrap around until you get it to where you like it. Like here is good for me. And it does not have to be perfect. And of course you want to take some bobby pins to pin it in place. Wherever you see you might have to modify your bun, go ahead and do so. I'm going to put another bobby pin on this side. It feels so good to be doing videos again, guys, because it has been almost a year, okay? A year. So I cut this bang, cut me a little bang recently, so I probably should have did this video before I did that. And if I'm not looking straight at the camera, guys, I'm sitting at my vanity, and so this is where I'm recording. So there's a mirror right in front of you guys. So yes, guys, this is the quick little bun. When you don't want your hair in your face, this is the go-to style, okay? Yeah, so this is it. I'm taking pictures as I go. Got it, girl. So I'm about to remove these because I'm recording by myself. And unfortunately, guys, my Canon camera is lost or either stolen. And I had footage from our family vacation and other footage on my SIM card, my SD card. And I'm just so upset about that. Not happy about that at all. I don't know where it is. We searched and searched this house for that camera. And the last time I remember having it was in, when we came back from Florida. We went to New Orleans for a family reunion. And that's when the last time I remember seeing it. So yeah, this is a third style that you can do. Of course, I do not like this white thing showing, so I'm just going to take a piece of hair from the back and I'm just going to wrap it around until that is fully covered. But to prevent all of this, guys, all you have to do is do a black ponytail holder. You don't have to go through all of this craziness I'm going through right now. I already got that ponytail holder in there, So yeah, we'll just work around it. So that didn't cover it. So I'm just going to go back and take another piece until it is fully covered. And there we go. So yeah, and you can bobby pin that. I'm just not going to bobby pin it now because I'm just recording. So yes, guys, this is so cute. I wore my hair like this about 2 days. So yeah, just go ahead and wear it up at the top for like a up to half up, half down, or more than half down. Okay, I don't know if you can really tell what that is, but when I'm looking at the picture, I don't know if I could actually tell. So this eyebrow, like, always go all the way up. I don't know why, but that's just how it is. Anyway, I do have 2 different eyebrows. Not because I drew them on that way. I actually have 2 different eyebrows. Okay, so we're going to take this out. And we're going to do another style. So for the rest of this video, so it's not long because it's already at 7 minutes. I can't believe that quick. We're going to make 2 ponytails, so just bear with me here. I'm going to go ahead and speed it up. Actually, you can put 2 ponytail holders or 2 rubber bands in. Actually, I'd rather ponytail holders, but for the sake of this video, and sometimes I just don't use any because I'm like, I don't feel like I need it, and that's less pulling and tangling on this hair. So I just take the hair and wrap it around. I'll show you again, maybe a little slower on the next one, okay? So this one here, I'm just taking it and twisting it, and I started twisting to the front. Just wrapping the ends around my finger, and then I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it around. And this is how you achieve a top knot. I'm going to do a video about that as well. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Now I'm about to take my crochet braids out. That is the reason I kept cutting it, because I knew it was about to come out. So if you try any of those styles, I would recommend that you try those when you are going to take your crochet braids out. So try it a little before then, and it'll just give you some versatility until you're able to get them out. And if you don't know how to take them out, good, because I'm about to take mine out right now, and I am going to show you. I'm saying right now, but it may be a day later, I don't know, but I am going to take them out today or tomorrow. So come back, watch that video, and thanks for watching so much. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to look down below in the description box. Follow me on my IG page, on my Facebook page, just for updates, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hopefully your girl can get it on and popping. I feel like I say this every year, but when you have a family, guys, it's just hard sometimes, but I'm going to try to stay on it, okay? So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Jesus love you, and I'll see you in the next one.